Hi, good evening. The next problem what we are going to discuss with respect to the gears is there is four types of problem they may ask in your question paper in your annual examination. In that, the first type we discussed already. The second type one that actually in the gears you can able to basically we are going to use the major formulas is three: path of contact, arc of contact, contact ratio. And one more thing is what minimum number of teeth to avoid that interference Z. These are the four major formula we are going to use. We are not going to use apart from this. So by using these formulas, we are going to identify the solution for the unknown problem, unknown things in the problem. So we will take the type 2 problem here. The two equal gears of 200 millimeter pitch dia are in mesh. The module is 4 mm and pressure angle is 20. The teeth are in involute form. Calculate the least addendum necessary of it is to be assumed that two of the teeth are always in contact. The data what is specified in the problem is very minimum. That is what is specified the things of two equal gears. Equal gears means both the driver and the driven having the same size. So that is what we are going to take it as an R1 is equal to, that is R stands for pitch circle radius, that is R1 R2, that 100 millimeter and one more data is what pressure angle we are going to call it as an phi, and the teeth are in the involute form. That is what obviously the gear, that's per gear we are going to get it in the same form. And he specified one more thing is what the contact, the two of the teeth are always in contact is specified. What is the number of contact ratio? Contact ratio is 2. And one more thing is specified the module. Module is 4 millimeter. The R1 is 100 millimeter, R2 is 100 millimeter. The pressure angle phi is 20 degree and module is 4. This is the data is given in the problem. He is asking to find out the addendum. So anyhow, let it be. If you go through the procedure as it is, the type 1 what we discussed, there what we are going to do, path of contact is equal to path of approach plus path of recess. That is formula what we are going to observe here. The path of contact is equal to RA2 minus RA2 square minus R2 square cos square phi whole square plus square root of RA1 square minus R1 square cos square phi minus R1 plus R2 sin phi. This is the first formula we are going to use for the type 1. But here is what tricky problem it is. So you specify the very minimum data. So okay, let we go by the reverse engineering. So in the derivation while discussing, we come to know that first is path of contact, next is arc of contact, and next is contact ratio. And here, so what we are going to do, segregating the data first. R1 is 100 millimeter, R2 is 100 millimeter, phi is equal to 20, M is equal to 4, and contact ratio is specified in the problem. Contact ratio is what? 2. So now take the value of contact ratio. What is, take the procedure of it. Contact ratio is equal to arc of contact by circular pitch. Arc of contact by circular pitch. What is arc of circular pitch? PC is equal to pi m. We derived that while discussing the derivation. So contact ratio is how much? 2. Arc of contact unknown. Write it as it is the thing. That is the denominator PC. What is PC? Circular pitch. Circular pitch is what? Pi m. Substitute the value of pi into m. So arc of contact value. So arc of contact we don't know. Now keep that arc of contact towards the left hand side. It will become what? 2 into pi into m. M stands for module. So 2 into pi into m value is 4. Pi value is how much? 3.14. So value will become what? Multiplying this value, we will get it 25.13. That is arc of contact. So now the arc of contact, take the ratio, that is reverse engineer. Now arc of contact is equal to what? Path of contact by cos phi. So arc of contact is how much? 25.13. The cos phi I am taking towards the left hand side, it will become cos 20. That is equal to path of contact. So multiplying this to 25.13 multiplied with cos 20, you will get it 23.16. That is what? Path of contact. Now take the relation of path of contact. Path of contact is equal to what? Path of approach plus path of recess. Here is what? Approach and the recess, both the driver and the driven, the gear 1 and the gear 2 having the same size, formula will change. Path of contact is equal to 2 root of RA square minus R square cos square phi minus 2 R sin phi. What is contact ratio? We come to know that, path of contact, we come to know that 23.61. Substitute the value of 23.61. Substitute the value. R value, we know that R value is 100, and cos, that phi value, we know that pressure angle is 20 degree. Complete equation, what you are, that is complete right hand side, that is RA is the only unknown. So if you do some simple mathematics, you will come to know that RA is equal to 104.62 millimeter. So next, what is the mode of this problem? We need to calculate the least addendum. The least addendum, what is addendum? Addendum is the radial distance between addendum circle to the that is what? Pitch circle. Addendum is addendum circle to the pitch circle. Addendum circle is topmost circle, pitch circle is the middle one. That is A is equal to RA minus R. It is RA minus R. A is equal to RA is how much? 104.62. R is equal to how much? 100. 104.62 minus 100 means you will get it. A is equal to 4.62. For this problem, solution is 4.62.